Stay with me as I style this beautiful hairstyle in just less than 30 minutes because we didn't have much time to style anything today, so I had to do something super fast. So for this hairstyle, you don't have to be a professional, you don't have to be an expert to do this one. It is just the basic thing to do. So I cut the first thing I did was to cut the shape that I wanted out, then I added a little bit of air jam to the hair so that it will gather her hair together. Her hair is not relaxed, by the way. Then I moved on by adding a little bit of oil to the rubber band so that it will not pull her hair out. Then I continue styling the hair. So for this one, at this point, I was almost done with this hairstyle because, as I mentioned, it was super fast. So I made three cuts in this hairstyle in this front because her hair is pretty, soft. So if you are working with a thicker hair, as I always say, you might cut your own. Maybe you might cut your own smaller than this one. Then for the next one, I moved on into cutting the another shoe that I wanted out. So for this part, instead of me bringing everything together as I did in the first one, I just braided everything into each strand. Then I added the hair growth oil to keep her hair moisturized. And then I moved on to just braiding the each part in pieces. And at this point, I was almost done with it. For this back side, I just splitted the hair into two equal parts right from the middle. Then I secured each side with a elastic band. Then I secured the rest of these braids with another elastic band so that it will remain firm until I'm ready to lose it. So here is it, guys. It's almost done at this point. So for this one, if you don't want to add this afro ponytail, as I always say, it is not compulsory. I added that because I just wanted a little bit of volume and so that it will keep our natural hair secure. So I added a little bit of hair growth oil throughout the hair from the front to the back and we were done. So this is how it looks like at the end. So what do you think of this hairstyle? Will you be trying out? And let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye.